just one of those things that is just so essential for your everyday life, right? I deal with percentages, not just because I'm a math teacher, but I deal with percentages all the time. You're going somewhere for a sale. You're going somewhere and you have a discount, right? You're thinking about, percentages increases, inflation, all that kind of stuff. Percentages are really important. And percentages are also pretty straightforward. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a STEM teacher for over 20 years, and I'm here to make math and science engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. So this summer, I'm going to be doing some math prep summer camps. We're going to be getting ready for algebra. What do you need to know ahead of time so you're ready to hit the ground running in August and September? Click the link and do the stuff and find out the information. So percent means like every 100, right? So percent means per 100, right? It's a ratio, but written in the context of being out of 100. So like 98% means 98 out of 100. Okay, now you can use this as like sort of thinking about it as a fraction, right? So if we think about it as a fraction, this is almost a whole thing, right? So this ratio, this percentage, it just makes it a little bit easier to work with when you're kind of like working with a decimal and things like that. Couple different ways that you can learn this. A lot of students will learn the percents just like as a ratio itself. If you're looking for like 40% of 80, right? Now I know this is super straightforward, right? You've got 40% equals something out of 80. So you're looking at these similar ratios because what you're looking for is what number up here is 40% of 80. So thinking about like if 80 were 100, what would this be, right? A lot of teachers will teach this right after like fractions and things like that. But you can also look at this as solving a proportion, right? So you would do cross multiplying. Right? And you can do cross canceling. I know you can do that, right? That's fine. 80 times 40 is 3,200. So we would say 100 times X. So we would have 3,200 equals 100 times X. Okay. So that means that X is going to be 32. So out of 80, if we wanted to look at 40% of 80, 40% of 80, if we put 32 on top, those are going to be equivalent. That's mathed up.